Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new app called Email Videos Pro, which is going to allow you to play videos inside of emails. Okay, now before I give you a demo of the software, let me just show you what the software actually does, right? If I go to my inbox right here, you're going to see here, this is my inbox for my Apple email account right here, and there's a video here. It looks like an image, right? But check out what happens when I press on the play button. Now, as you can see, this video is actually playing, okay? And this is an actual video. I can pause the video right here. I can play it. If I hover over here, it says here, download the video. You can see this is an actual video, right? Which is a brand new concept in our space, that you're going to be able to play a video inside of an actual email, okay? Now, that's what the actual app allows, and this is a first to market. It's a cutting edge technology in our space, in online marketing space. This is the first app to do this actually, and to do it efficiently. And obviously that's going to help you to get more engagement, more clicks, and with more clicks and more engagement, you can then drive more traffic and have more sales, right? And you can also sell this as a service, as a unique service to freelancers, influencers, and local businesses, right? Now, how do you do this? You use our app right here, Email Videos Pro. It's super easy to use. It is fast. And it is pretty nifty if I say so myself. After you log in, you see a welcome dashboard right here. You can see your stats right here. There's a welcome video. And if you want to dive right into the action, then you can just click here on My Campaigns. I'm going to do this right here, real time. I have other campaigns right here that I can check out, but I'm just going to click here on New Campaign. Okay, now I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call this Marketing Demo, and then here I'm just going to put demo in the description, and then I'm going to click here on continue. Now this is really cool. Check this out. You can grab a video, because remember, you are incorporating a video inside of an email, so you need a video, right? Now, number one, you can grab a video or video from YouTube, from Dropbox, Wistia, or Vimeo, but also you can upload it from your computer. And here, this is really cool. We're also going to give you a library of HD stock videos. If I put here, for example, let's say beach, I can click here on search, and it's going to bring me up hundreds of videos here, for example, for different beaches. But also, we're also going to give you niche templates for different niches that you can customize. I'm going to show you that in a moment, okay? Now, I'm going to click here actually on upload and go to my computer right here. And then I'm going to pick this one right here, where it says this is the actual teaser. Going to click here on open. And now it's going to show the video here real time on the right hand side. I can play the video right here. Okay, this is a teaser video, an animated video, which works great with our platform. And then all I have to do is click here on next, for example, okay? And now it's going to render and resize it real quick. Now that is done, that was super quick. I can now go ahead and actually edit this video, okay? I can shorten it, I can add text to it. Actually, let me show you real quick. If I click here on continue to edit, it's going to bring me to this screen. I can see my video right here. I can play it. Okay, I can check it out. I can fast forward, for example. But then here, check this out. I can add text. I can add an image. I can add a shape. I can trim the video. If your video is too long, you want to shorten it a little bit, you can do that as well. And then I can export it here, or I can click here on skip and get my embed code. Okay, so if you want to edit your video, you can do all of this right here. Now in this case, I am not going to edit the video. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to grab your embed code and send out the email so that you can see it in the inbox. Okay, so I'm going to click here on skip and get my embed code. Now that is done, and I'm here on this screen, right? I can again see here my actual video right here. I can see my dimensions. I can set if I want to autoplay it, play it in a loop. And then depending on what upgrade you invest in, you can even remove our branding. You can add some player controls, really, really cool customization options right here, right? But if you just want to go ahead and, get this email out with a video, you can click here on get the embed code. Okay, now we are on this screen right here, and all I have to do is just choose an autoresponder. And in this case, I'm going to choose Aweber because a lot of people use Aweber. But just so that you can see, we have a lot of autoresponders here. In the main basic version, you're going to get all the popular ones like GetResponse, Mailvio, Aweber, Constant Contact, and so forth, right? MailChimp, for example, as well. But I'm going to go here with Aweber, and then all I have to do is just here copy to clipboard. And in this case, I'm going to show you in Aweber how easy it is to use. This is an Aweber account. I can click here on create a new message, drag and drop builder, and then I am going to go ahead and it's going to ask me here to have some text. So I'm just going to copy paste really quick some text from this article right here, just so we have some text that I can showcase for you and post it right in here. And then again, what I want to grab real quick is the embed code for the video. So I'm going to go back here to my software, copy to clipboard again, just like I showed you a moment ago, paste it in here. And then I just have to go ahead and click here on OK. And now you can see the video pops already up in here. It's playing. This is awesome. It looks good. And I can click here on actually preview and test. So now I can send a quick test email. So I'm going to go ahead to my inbox right here, copy my email address, and then I just go here and enter the actual test email and click here on send test message. Okay, and now you can see here your test message, it's on its way. And now I just go back here to my actual inbox, and then you can see here the email arrived. I can click on it right now. This is the text that I just copy pasted, and you can see here the video is playing. This is beautiful. This is incredible. You saw it just takes a couple of minutes to do this, and I walked you through it step by step. You can customize things right here, and you have a video playing here real time. Okay, and we did this with our beautiful dashboard right here, and I just showed you the highlights, right? If I click here on my campaigns, if I go back here, you can have as many campaigns as you like, going out there and creating these videos. But more importantly, to make, to take full advantage of this, you want to have videos, right? So we're going to provide you here with video templates. Okay, these are actual niche templates that are done for you. And you can see here we have restaurants, travel, wedding, we have animated videos, whiteboard videos. You can customize these videos, okay, for your actual clients and prospects. So if you need any videos that you want to attach to your emails or for your clients, you can sell this as a service, and you can then add to each of these videos your client's call to action, for example, if you're working with an influencer, right? So we're going to provide you some of these done for you in addition to our HD stock video library as well. And if you click here on my videos, you can see the videos that you created. With one of the upgrades, you even get team members. We have an upgrade that is a white label option where you can white label our software as well. And then here, of course, we have support waiting for you. We have super fast servers as well. And this is basically a quick demo of the actual dashboard, okay? So in a nutshell, if you want to send out some cool animations and some cool videos inside of your emails, which is a brand new concept, you can do that with our software. Also, if someone in your audience is not if they're using an email provider that is not accepting videos, then our software is going to automatically turn that video into an actual video GIF, okay? So it doesn't matter if you're users using Gmail or another account, they will have the animation play in the video. And another cool thing is our software works beautifully on all mobile devices as well, right? You can use it for desktop, but also on a cell phone, iPhone, Android phone, doesn't matter. Tablets, anything like that, you're gonna be good to go, okay? So I hope that makes sense. If you are interested in playing videos inside of actual emails like here, right, and having animations and therefore getting the engagement, getting the clicks, getting more traffic, generating more profits, and selling a unique service, email marketing video service to your clients and prospects, then I think this is a great solution for you, okay? So check out the rest of this page right here. This was a full demo of Email Videos Pro, and I can't wait to see you inside the members area. Talk soon.